Okay, so it's currently 3:45 and it's Monday, obviously, and I was gonna film earlier, but I've been like on guard for the past like 5 hours because I don't know when the landlord is gonna come. My voice is being weird. It takes like 3 to 4 hours to film and 3 to 4 hours to edit, so there's just literally no way. So that kind of sucks, but hopefully our fridge gets fixed today. And yeah, and this was supposed to come anywhere between 3:30 and 5. Originally they were supposed to come between 2 and 6, so don't know what to expect, but I'm sure it'll go well, so I'm not really like worried about it going bad. I just am nervous to deal with it alone, but you know, it'll be fine. Okay, so I decided to make a last minute decision and make brownies before the landlord gets here. It's currently 4:19 and the estimated time, well, the estimated like latest time was 5 p.m. So not sure how this is gonna go. Hopefully it works. I mean, I don't think that the smell of brownies will necessarily throw anyone off. As long as I stay as clean as possible, it should go well. So wish me luck. This takes about 30 minutes to make. What is my cat? Hi! Come here! Hi! Are you... Oh, what?
Thanks, Lauren.
Uh-huh. Okay, so I'm exhausted and it's way too late in the afternoon. Actually, you know what? Okay, my hair is just unfortunate. It's not too late in the afternoon to be exhausted, but in my opinion, it is. But I want to get this done now because I want to get this done now. So a couple of days ago, my sister came home and she brought me some clothes. So I figured I would just do a haul. So here she is. So she brought me these. Where'd they go? Okay, well, I can't find the other slipper, but she brought me these slippers. I knew she was bringing these, but she brought some extra clothes I did not know she was bringing. So like she brought me these slippers. They're really, really soft. They're really, really nice. They're really, really soft and they're really, really nice. No, but I'm excited to wear these because they feel good. So, and then I don't know if she brought me these socks or not. I'm gonna assume that she did because I don't think that they definitely were not in this hamper. So I'm gonna assume that she brought me these socks unless she just accidentally brought these, but either way. And then bless me. And then she brought me this sweater. I like it. I know I for sure stole this at least like 3 times back when we lived together, and it's like really soft and it's like still a good enough, like it's still a light enough material that I can like wear it when like the weather is like 70 or like 65 or something like that, so that's nice. And then she also brought me this cardigan. Yeah, cardigan, I think. Yeah, it's from About a Girl. Oh, this is from H&M, and these slippers are from Snoozies, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, this cardigan is super light and super soft. Okay. it's kind of long, so I can't really show it that well. But yeah. Oh, here's the other one. And is that it? I think that's it. Okay, cool. I thought there was more, but there's not, and that's totally okay. I just didn't realize that this was, I say this was it in like the most grateful way possible, but I feel like there's no way that you can say this was it in regards to like receiving something from someone. Or like I feel like you can say I think this was it. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, so both items are really soft, really cute, really comfy. Very excited to wear them. My window's open so you can hear everything that's happening outside, but what can you do? Okay, cool. I have to do the dishes. I think that's it. I should not be this tired. Oh yeah, okay. Cool. It's 7:13 p.m. right now, and I could be slash should be filming because I don't have a video for Monday, and Monday's Memorial Day, so I probably won't be able to film. But instead, I have no ideas, and I'm watching 50 Shades of Grey. No, like not for any particular reason. I'm just watching it because I can. I love being an adult. There's this Tumblr and Instagram account that's called Straight White Boys Texting, and I think it's like one of the funniest slash best things ever. And I was gonna do a video like not really reacting to them, but just like reading them and stuff because I thought that might be a fun idea. And then I remembered that I have no idea how to like insert pictures in the screen, so can't do that. And then I was gonna do a video. I was gonna do a story time about the worst date I've ever been on, but I don't know, maybe I'll still do that. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, cool. Yeah, happy Saturday. It's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. Happy Saturday. I'm probably gonna go film. Okay, cool. Okay, it's currently 9:33 p.m. and I just finished, well, I finished editing the video, but I just finished like rewatching it one last time before I upload it. So, I have Monday's video ready, and I'm about to start uploading it so it can be scheduled to go up on Monday night. So I'm psyched about that. I have some things that I want to do still for this vlog. I have some like cleaning up and stuff that I want to do. Well, I don't cleaning up slash like being productive things. I don't know that I'm gonna get to them all tonight, so I might have to do some tomorrow. If not, I'll just, well, if it's not in this vlog, it'll be in the next vlog. This is probably not that significant at all to mention, but I figured I would anyways. But yeah, I'm just watching The Big Bang Theory. Don't know if you could see that or not, but I was. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, change of plans. I just got my period, so, chances are I'm gonna be sleeping all day because it knocks me the fuck out. And I'm probably gonna be in too much pain because I get really bad period cramps. So, nothing is gonna get done today. Probably. Hopefully, I'm going to, but more than likely not. But that just means that next week is gonna be a big cleaning vlog. So, well, cleaning and productive vlog. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah,